Let's start off with the precious metals. Gold and silver both hitting all-time highs, and boomers around the world are celebrating. While this may seem bullish, gold and silver rising at this rate is not sustainable in my opinion. This is a classic parabola, and parabolas never end well. Just take a look at gold. This is a parabola for nearly 28 straight months. Bitcoin has done very well in comparison to gold for a long time until about a year or so ago, when gold went on a run and Bitcoin basically stayed flat. Now, if we look back throughout history, gold and silver have been around for a long time. This is the silver chart. We have had two massive spikes in silver's value previous to this one. The first one was back in 1980, where silver rallied to nearly $50 an ounce. Over the coming years, it would crash by nearly 90%. Fast forward to 2011, silver had another parabolic move, only to come crashing down about 80% from the high. And take a look at where we are now in 2026. The likelihood that this parabola collapses, in my opinion, is extremely high. The question is when. Now, gold decoupling from Bitcoin could be a variety of factors. I think one of the biggest ones is that the more traditional old school investors are fleeing to what they believe is a scarce hard asset in times of uncertainty. While Bitcoin doesn't have the track record, it has way more scarcity than gold because it has a programmed limit. China actually just found another gold deposit worth over $86 billion. Good luck finding more Bitcoin. I personally believe it's just a matter of time until we see a rotation of this money from gold into Bitcoin. And I'm not the only one who thinks so. I'm hearing this all around the ecosystem. Now, that said, if everyone's saying something, it doesn't mean it's necessarily true, but like most assets, they'll eventually run out of gas. And when people think something's topped, they'll look for the next thing that is at a discounted price. I believe they will see Bitcoin as that opportunity.